Hello everyone. Today we will cover the AIMS Journal Knowledge MCQs. Let's get started. Which country recently launched the world's first 6G satellite? Correct answer is B. China. China has been leading the development of 6G satellite technology to advance communication networks. Next question. The Paris Agreement is primarily focused on. Correct answer is B. Climate change. The Paris Agreement aims to limit global warming by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Next question. Who is considered the father of the Green Revolution? Correct answer is A. Norman Borlaug. Borlaug developed high-yield wheat varieties, significantly increasing food production. Next question. The Human Genome Project was completed in. Correct answer is B. 2003. It mapped the entire human DNA sequence to aid medical research. Next question. Who is the current Secretary General of the United Nations as of 2025? Correct answer is B. Antonio Guterres. Guterres has been UN Secretary General since 2017 and is serving currently. Next question. Which country recently hosted the G20 summit in 2025? Correct answer is A. India. India hosted the G20 summit to discuss global economic and policy issues. Next question. Which vaccine became the first FDA approved mRNA vaccine for cancer? Correct answer is C. BNT111. BNT111 targets melanoma and is a breakthrough in mRNA vaccine technology. Next question. The International Solar Alliance was initiated by which country? Correct answer is C. India. India launched ISA to promote solar energy use globally. Next question. Which city will host the 2028 Summer Olympics? Correct answer is C. Los Angeles. Los Angeles is the official host city for the 2028 Summer Olympics. Next question. Who was the first emperor of the Roman Empire? Correct answer is B. Augustus. Augustus was Rome's first emperor after the Republic ended. Next question. The Magna Carta was signed in. Correct answer is A. 1215. The Magna Carta limited the powers of the English monarch. Next question. Who lead the Indian non-cooperation movement? Correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi lead the non-cooperation movement against British rule. Next question. The Berlin Wall fell in which year? Correct answer is B. 1989. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the end of the Cold War division. Next question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Correct answer is D. Antarctic desert. Antarctica is the largest desert by area, classified as a cold desert. Next question. Mount Everest is located on the border of. Correct answer is B. Nepal and China. Everest lies between Nepal and Tibet, China. Next question. The longest river in the world is. Correct answer is B. Nile. The Nile River is traditionally considered the longest river on earth. Next question. Which ocean is the deepest? Correct answer is D. Pacific. The Pacific Ocean contains the Mariana Trench, the deepest ocean point. Next question. The country with the most natural lakes is. Correct answer is B. Canada. Canada has the highest number of natural lakes worldwide. Next question. The classical dance from Bharatanatyam originated in. Correct answer is B. Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is a traditional dance from Tamil Nadu. Next question. Diwali is known as the festival of. Correct answer is A. Lights. Diwali celebrates the victory of light over darkness. Next question. Who wrote the epic Ramayana? Correct answer is B. Valmiki. Valmiki is the author of the ancient Indian epic Ramayana. Next question. The traditional Japanese garment is called. Correct answer is B. Kimono. The kimono is a traditional Japanese robe. Next question. Carnatic music is associated with which region? Correct answer is B. South India. Carnatic music is the classical music style of South India. Next question. Which Indian policy focuses on Make in India? Correct answer is C. National Manufacturing Policy. It aims to increase manufacturing's GDP share by Make in India. Next question. CRISPR technology is used for. Correct answer is B. Gene editing. CRISPR allows precise modification of DNA sequences. Next question. Which organization awards the Nobel Prizes? Correct answer is B. Nobel Foundation. The Nobel Foundation manages and awards Nobel Prizes annually. Next question. The theory of relativity was proposed by. Correct answer is B. Albert Einstein. Einstein revolutionized physics with his relativity theory. Next question. Which country leads the Global Innovation Index 2024? Correct answer is B. Switzerland. Switzerland ranks top due to innovation friendly policies. Next question. Which country recently announced a ban on single use plastics by 2025? Correct answer is A. India. India committed to phasing out single use plastics to reduce pollution. Next question. Who is the current chairperson of the World Health Organization? Correct answer is A. Tedros Adhanom. Tedros is the current Director General of WHO. Next question. Which country recently approved the first malaria vaccine for widespread use? Correct answer is C. Malawi. Malawi is among the first to roll out the RTS-S malaria vaccine. Next question. Which tech company recently launched a new AI language model competing with ChatGPT? Correct answer is A. Google. Google launched Bard as a competitor in AI language models. Next question. Which country withdrew from the Afghanistan peace talks in 2024? Correct answer is A. USA. The US withdrew citing security concerns. Next question. Who was the British Prime Minister during World War II? Correct answer is B. Winston Churchill. Churchill led Britain through most of World War II. Next question. Who was the first president of independent India? Correct answer is B. Rajendra Prasad. He served as India's first president from 1950.